Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go. So today I'm going to be using my Jamaican by Castrol Strength and Restore. Oh my god, my voice. Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. This is my go-to smoothie. I don't know, maybe it's too early, but I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss. This is a coconut curling jelly. I love this one too. I don't know if I made a video on it, but here we go. I'm just gonna do a wash and go. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do to my hair. But I'm just gonna do a wash and go, and hopefully it turns out nice. Hey guys, the camera died, but this is the finished look. I'm probably gonna sit on the hooded dryer for probably about 30 minutes and then let the rest of it air dry for the rest of the day. So this is the finished look. Before I start, the clip before, my camera did die. So I was saying, I believe, that I was gonna sit on the hooded dryer. I did not. I do not have a blow dryer either. So I recorded the video probably about, today is what, Sunday? I recorded the video probably about Thursday, and I had to let my hair air dry, and then when it did dry I had to let it sit in the stretch that I usually do with the hair ties for probably about 2 days, and this is how it came out. I actually like it. My hair is pretty fluffy. I do have a little bit of flakes, but that's okay. Not much. I can go. But I really like the results. I'm kind of liking the fluffy look that I'm getting lately with these products. So I will definitely list everything down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so you are notified every time I post a video. Bye guys.